How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today we're going to take a look at the Sol massager from Human Touch. This particular version has the heating function. Depending on what you compare it to me, this seems a little large. The height of this is not adjustable, although you can change the tilt. Using an office chair adjusted to the right height, they advise you to put your ankles all the way to the back. No remote is necessary because the controls are so close to your hand anyway. High speed massage, low speed massage, and 1, 2, 3 are various sequences. It might pause and stop at different times, sometimes holding your muscles tight as a method. There's low and high intensity, vibration on and off. Turn it on. It squeezes your foot from the outside in, and there are these nubs at the bottom to massage the bottom of your feet, and your calves are also being massaged here. Intensity appears to be the speed of massaging. The vibration comes from the bottom of your feet, not in your calves. And then if you turn on the warm air, I hear a fan, and I think it's blowing hot air in. You just want it squeezed right here, right here, right here, from the side or from the back. When you stick it in here, I don't feel any of that. And I think it has to do with the size of my calves. My calves are about 13 inches in diameter. If you are a large person, you have large calves, this might actually work well for you. You can see the two sides pushed together, right? And these flaps are kind of malleable, and I feel like the massage range, it's a little bit too fixed. So if you happen to have the right size calves, this will work very well for that particular type of person. Remove the lining so you can wash it. This exposes the inside. There's still a piece of cloth here, so we can't really see all the elements that's inside. You can set this at 2 angles. The sitting position. The bottom has a little wire thing that comes out so that it becomes a little bit reclined. There's a little notch in here for your ankles. If you move it a little bit too forward, it'll actually hurt because there's not enough room for your ankle bone. I do like this soft material. It feels really good squeezing it from the outside in. You see that motor right here? It connects to a plate that connects this piece with this piece, with this piece, and with that piece. All 4 pieces vibrates together. Let me turn it on. The warm air is made by this thing right here, and it's like a little blower. There's a single blower fan right there, and it blows air to the rear of your ankles. The exhaust is right here, and it comes out through the fabric into your foot area. On the other side, there's the other blower. There's a lot of room between my calf and these little paddles here that's supposed to squeeze your calf. I want it to squeeze over here, which needs to go a little bit higher. So let's turn it on and see what happens. The paddles just kind of lightly touches my calf, so it's not massaging it at all. So they do recommend you to wear something thick so that it would squeeze it harder. I feel like they need some kind of adjustments to bring these guys in a little bit for people with smaller calves. For me, there's too much room to make up with just clothing alone. It seems like if your calf muscle is maybe 14 inches or larger, this would work well for you. So measure your calves before getting this machine. The dense foam material here squeezes your foot from the outside, and it does feel really good. I've seen other foot massagers where the nubs at the bottom kind of moves in and out. The one in this one only vibrates. It creates the heat through a hot air instead of some heating element. For these foot and calf massagers, I think it really depends if it fits your body size. If you guys are interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.